here we come. Looking for my buddy Manny. Coming down the hill. Let's see if we can get a little zoom in here. It's fucking cold out here today. Just want to try and do this with my gloves on. Here we go. Coming down the hill. Let's go. Okay. Here it comes up. Right at you. In your face. There you go. That's a little showmanship for you.
Thank you very much.
Not a problem at all.
Oh, it's chilly.
It is very, very chilly. Alright, we're going to sign off here for a minute. Say hi.
What's up, guys? Tomorrow I'll be in the sun. Today I'm in here.
What you got to film? Keep filming.
Keep filming.
Rock on. I just had a feel like a racehorse. Snowboarding. Pretty much gone down this whole mountain on my ass. But you know what? It rocks.
That's exactly it. That is why we are here.
That's why we're here, right?
Nice. Alright, man. Here you go.
Peace out.